Hey guys, hope you enjoyed reading day yesterday. So this week's going to be a little bit different. We are going to be doing a project. So there's only going to be one video, and then you're going to be working on a project the rest of the week. This is our yearbook project, and this video is an intro to that project. So you're going to be creating a yearbook from a year of your choice between 1950 and 2000. There's going to be a sign up on a page on Canvas after you watch this video. So you're going to sign up for a year that you want to create a yearbook on between 1950 and 2000, like I just said. Two people can do each year. So if two people want to do 1950 or two people want to do 1997, you can sign up for that. Once you choose your year is in stone. That's the one you have to do. So make sure you do a little research before you choose which year you want to do. The template for your yearbook is also going to be on Canvas as well, and I'll show you what that template looks like right now. So this is the template. You can change it and make it look however you want. These are just some slides that we've set up so you can use. You can fill in these, clouds. You can do the class photos right here, and then we have some blank ones with titles and different pictures and stuff as well. And I'll show you an example at the end of this video to show you what you can do and how you can make it different. And like I said, you don't have to use all these slides. You can delete them. You can move them around in different orders. It's up to you. Important thing you need to do, though, once you open your template is to share it. So you're going to hit the share button. I think yours will be blue, and then you will type in my name, T. Trenhell. It should come up, or you can put Trenhell, and it should come up as well. All right, so like I was saying, you're going to get on that template. You're going to share it with me so I can see it as you're working on it. Even before you turn it in, I'm not going to be grading or anything, but I do want to see your progress and how it looks as you guys do it. So I'll be popping in and leaving comments as well as you guys are working on it. So make sure you share it with me. Now you can start researching your year. So once you've picked your year, you've shared it with me, the template, and then you've started working, you can start researching your year. So different ideas to fill up the pages are art from that year, literature, music, any type. I wouldn't just pick your favorite type of music. I would pick all the different types. Listen to it. You can link a video, or you can link the song itself as well on there. So it's kind of an interactive yearbook, not just, you look at it and there's a picture. You can also put videos as well. Historical events, innovations in science and technology from that year, sports, what was happening. Like I said, you can also put videos and pictures for here as well. So you can put different championships happening, cool moments in sports that happened that year. People born in that year, that's what the class photo is about. Instead of having people that were just alive that year, and put people born in that year. So any famous person you can find that was born in your year, you can do that in their class photo, and say people that were born that year. Entertainment, so things like movies, music, plays, dance, theater, all of those different things all kind of fit in entertainment. So it's really a catch-all category for anything that entertains people. Pop culture, this is things that people liked during that time, how people dressed, how they spoke, just different things like that. TVs, movies, video games, another category. We're going to be more specific on shows, movies, and video games that were happening that year. Politics, so things that were happening in politics, people that were elected maybe that year, big events in politics that happened that year. And then fashion is another category as well. You don't have to do all of these topics. You can choose the ones you want to do, but you're going to do at least 7 pages. So today you're going to start with just 1 page after picking your year, getting the template ready, sharing that template with me, and starting to research. You're going to do 1 page today. And like I said, make sure you shared it with me so I can see that you are doing it right. And then the next 3 days, which is going to be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you're going to do at least 2 pages. You can do as many as you want, but you want to do at least 2. So you're going to have a total of 7 at least. Like I said, you can do more if you'd like. And then at the very end, once you have completed it and you've done all the work you're going to do, you're going to make sure you submit it on Canvas so I can see that final product. So like I said, I'm going to show you an example. This is from a few years ago. She used the same template we gave you and then just changed the slides that she wanted, kept the ones she wanted as well. And it's really cool. So she actually got this from a Google image and then put the title and stuff in there, but it shows all the big things that were happening, important people in 1982. So then she talks about some weather that was happening. There was a big blizzard that came through that year and the beginning of the year in January. She talks about politics, not just U.S. politics, but also Texas politics as well. And then she talks about music, different types as well. She tells us about the band. So it's not just putting pictures, it's not a collage. You also need to give us some information as well, write a little story about it. Here she's talking about different toys of that time period. And then movies that came out that year. So we have some big movies like E.T. and Poltergeist, TV shows like Cheers came out in 1982. And then she had the fashion of the 1980s. This is a little more difficult to find fashion of specific years. So if you can find just around the year that what people would have dressed like, that's fine as well. Here's her born in 1982. We got some famous people you might have heard of: Nicki Minaj, Lil Wayne, Kelly Clarkson, Anne Hathaway as well. Okay, and then we have she put most likely to become and did a poll with her class. You guys can do that with your family or any of your friends. Ask questions about that. Here's some pop culture stuff. Michael Jackson was really big at that time. Epcot was built at Disney World during that time as well. Here's some art that was happening. This painting was painted before 1982, but it sold that year for a lot of money. Science and technology for that year, quotes as well. Like I said, you can make it your own. She started out with the same template you did and ended up not using very much of it. So like I said, you can make it your own. Do what you want to do. Have a good rest of your day, guys. Bye.